Welcome to the Hope School and College supported by SINDH Education Foundation. In this video, you will learn class 7th science. Today we have introduction of chapter number 4, that is water. In this chapter you will learn about water for life, sources of water, impurities of water, cleaning of water through distillation and water treatment plant, uses of water, drinking, sources of energy, hydroelectricity, cooling of heavy mechanical complexes. Water for life. Water is essential for carrying out many of our living activities. As you know, 97% of water on earth is salt water. Only 3% water is fresh water that is used in our household, industrial, agricultural and environmental activities. Can you imagine a life without water? No, it is not possible. Water is essential for both animals and plants. Green plants need water for photosynthesis. Can you imagine a life without green plants? It is not possible to survive without green plants, which are the direct or indirect source of food for animals and human beings. As we have learned earlier, water is the only natural substance found in three states of matter, as solid in glaciers and icebergs, liquid in form of fresh water, and gas in water vapors, clouds and air. This unique physical property of water is important to maintain a constant supply of water to keep the environment healthy. Sources of water. Pakistan is blessed with both natural and artificial sources of water. The main natural sources are rivers, lakes, streams, rainwater, oceans, glaciers and wells, whereas artificial sources are water reservoirs, dams and tube wells. Impurities of water. Water gets impure by the addition of untreated sewage from domestic use, untreated water of industries, and water runoff from our agriculture that contains the harmful pesticides and fertilizers. Impurities are of two types, dissolved and undissolved. These impurities are removed by water from following methods: water treatment plant and distillation. In water treatment plant, a wastewater treatment plant cleans sewage and water so that they can be returned to the environment. These plants remove solids and pollutants, break down organic matter, and restore the oxygen content of treated water. Distillation. Distillation is used to remove dissolved physical and chemical impurities from water. These impurities are removed by evaporating, condensing the pollutant or impure water. Uses of water. In Pakistan, usage of water can be divided into four broad categories. Number 1, agriculture use. Number 2, industrial or commercial use. Number 3, domestic use. Number 4, hydroelectric use. Thank you for watching more interesting videos. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.